What's this place here? It's a food race.
There's another one across the way as well, but it's...
Food thing, or?
Yeah, a cafe. Oh, the model railway.
Is it working? Well, Joseph said it was shut.
It says it's open.
Oh, right.
Scott,
Yeah.
you have to give it full whack.
Yeah.
Wait till I get to that end because the section block's there, though. So
Oh, right, okay.
otherwise you'll stall. Just give me 2 bells when you're ready, and I'll give you one back.
This is good, isn't it?
Full whack that way.
You know, we don't need one at home, you know, us.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Yay.
I should put it all the way down.
Have you got control?
Yes, I have control.
Hey. Isn't that good?
You haven't finished yet.
Oh, right. Can I go back to my station?
Right, the controller you've just used.
Yep.
Flick the black knob the other way.
I'll
The
put it to
bottom.
off.
You had
Yeah,
that?
and flick the black knob over, so the black knob should be facing me.
All right, I see,
Got
yes.
it.
Okay.
Oh, I like this. We need a bell.
If you turn the controller roughly halfway, it shouldn't stop on the block section.
Okay.
50% throttle.
How far can I go? Just,
Turn it about halfway, just past halfway, love.
I meant up here on the...
How far? Sorry, you're past the end of the station.
Yay! Do you want me to leave it there?
Oh, send it like that. About that, up to you.
Oh, yeah.
Don't do any more filming.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Can we go again, Mick?
Yep.
I can confuse you.
Oh,
Oh,
look.
25. Excellent. That's smooth, isn't it?
Good try. That is smooth. Look at it. Lovely over there. So, I've taken over. Whoa. Oh, maybe I should have slowed down for the station a little. How about reversing them? No, it's me.
Oh,
It's
there we
me.
go.
Oh,
Reverse,
oh.
yeah. It's all right, it's all
Not
right,
too
it's all right.
fast, not too fast.
I don't think you can hit
wrong way.
anything.
Oh,
And
goodness.
There you go.
Switch back the way it was. Flick that point just there. And you're going to be sending the prairie down to me.
That's the green one.
Give me, sir. Give me a lady. No problem. Ready when you are.
It's coming on its own, is that okay?
Yeah.
Oh, you take over. Do I need to give it a nudge?
Yeah, please give it.
Oh, it's alright, it's gone. It's gone.
Oh, it's a different
Look
one.
at it, isn't it lovely? I've just got to slow it down, so. Right, I've got it now. Oh, I've got it too slow.
Okay. What have you
Have I
done?
got it the right way? No, it's the other way. The other way.
Facing me.
Yep, got it now. Don't want to go too fast because I don't want to hit these.
Or I can put the Garrett on if you want to see that running.
Oh, yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah, put the Garrett on.
Sorry.
You like the
Too
Garrett?
lovely.
The Garrett's that monster one there.
It's a Jetboat one, so it's quite an old one.
Oh, is it? That run really well though.
Yeah.
That diesel.
It does. It's a modern one.
Oh.
Here you go.
Hey.
Down here. Right. You got the Garrett? Garrett's coming down.
Is it?
Yeah.
You didn't give me back.
Sorry.
Ladies driving.
It's a beauty, that, isn't it? Isn't it huge?
Is it yours, Owen? Books.
So big though, isn't it?
It was just this bit originally. There's a demonstration of that. and we
Right.
built- That's obviously Wirksworth, as it was.
Oh,
yeah.
And it's going to be Duffield eventually.
All right.
There it goes.
Hey.
Oh, look. How lovely. Little cutie. Oh my
Can't wait when you
goodness.
release it next week.
Huh? Shall I stop there?
Yeah, stop there and bring it back up if you want.
Okay. And to do that, we'll go that
Right,
way.
that's it.
And then we'll go back. Coming back.
Yep, it's going.
A bit of a
Yeah,
course.
normally have an 04 on there, but it can't pull anything because it's wheel slips every time.
Oh, isn't that lovely though? Pull it down to there, just past the... Isn't that good? That's lovely, thank you. So it's a Batman one this, isn't it lovely? Look at the shine on them wheels. That's wonderful, thank you.
Up there was where the quarries were, and there was about 5 or 6 narrow gauge lines all over the town.
Ah,
Oh, right.
Normally it's not as busy around here.
no,
It's a
no.
nice Land Rover.
Somebody get shot in there, it's all about 6 inches of water in there.
Oh goodness.
Even on a summer's day, this is freezing
Just-
cold here.
Yeah, I can tell. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just boggy,
It's
isn't
lovely
it?
and cool. It's nice.
Oh wow, look at it. That's sparkling.
Is that...
Years ago, I used to work at Big Old Quarry, but its proper name was Dale Quarry. It was a hard life, but we were happy. Quarries were ever so dusty, and Mother had had to shake tablecloth out several times a day to get rid of the dust. It covered streets and houses like snow, and when it rained, there were white water and sludge everywhere. If you want to see how we lived, then go to Heritage Centre, just off Marketplace, and listen to Jack Doxey in his little cottage. The works of Dale Stone and Lime Quarry were started by a Mr. Arthur Harwood, who was a solicitor in town. Stonefront Quarry were carted in horse-drawn wagons down Dale and Coldwell Street to the station.
I think that might be difficult to hear, but isn't it fab? Can anybody come down to this part as well?
Well, this part's still public here. Yeah.
Ah, right,
There's a
okay.
gate you can't go without.
Ah, right. So giving them or...
A lot of these are privately owned, either by individuals or societies.
Yeah.
Some of these we have like contract repair work and stuff,
Ah, yeah,
which obviously brings the pennies in.
of course.
Like the steam rake from Great, that's on long-term hire from Midland Railway. The only steamers we actually own is the one you've just seen in the yard, the little one, and the one
Yes.
that's away on hire to another railway at the moment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We used to have the biggest collection of DMUs in the country some years ago.
Really?
We'll have to go a little bit. And the narrow gauge goes up there.
Oh, yes, of course.
The
Oh,
other
I
side
can
of them
see the-
trees is solid brick, the solid rock. The original plan was Midland Railway were going to go all the way to Manchester through here. But by the time they got to here, they bought out the line through Matlock, so they just used that line instead.
Right, I
So the line
see.
actually stops there now. It was just mainly a freight line.
Yeah.
But when that bridge was built by the Victorians,
Yeah.
the railway built it grand, 3 or 4 arch bridge, no problem. Local vicar, came along.
Yeah.
Sorry, you can't use that as a graveyard the other side. So it's never carried a car in its life. It's only had horses, people, and cycles.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
That's on hire from locomotive service, so it's 73.
Oh, right.
Got our own 73 here, but that's not working.
We've been on that one, I think, when we came last, yeah.
Yeah,
I got a 31 there.
Oh, that looks lovely.
that's from True Heritage Centre, so when it was delivered.
Oh, wow.
It's kept in pristine condition.
Yeah, it looks it.
Yeah, doing testing at the moment.
You do so much more than I thought, though, here.
Yeah.
I've got to be honest.
Yeah.
When you do think about the heritage railways and so on, you often think, oh, it's just, people driving up and down,
yeah, it's not, there's a lot more. Yeah, that's the first public cars in use. And runs, that's some locomotive services as well on long-term hire here.
Right.
Just the other side of these coaches, there's the incline line, which is the steepest additional line in the country.
Oh, really?
At Corley, tamping machine for doing the tracks.
Ah.
Not just riding up and down on the trains and playing train drivers. There's
No,
Yes.
it's the real railway, isn't it? That's
Yeah.
the thing, yeah.
Yeah.
And I think because you do so much here with the testing and everything
Yeah.
else, there's a lot more to it, isn't
Oh,
there?
yeah. It comes under the, look on the webpage, it's mytesttrack.com. It's about the testing on.
I see. Oh, this is fabulous.
And then always was cheap, which is supposed to be good, but it don't look that good. Anything in the shed if you like.
Yes, please.
Be great, thank you.
Don't stay on the concrete bits in the shed, not the ballast bits. 'Cause it's
Right. No, you direct me and I'll go
This
wet.
one's just been done up.
Beautiful,
That's
isn't
lovely,
it?
that isn't it?
Half, I believe, is in there, been done up.
Wow,
That is beautiful.
that's
We've got
really
one
nice.
Last, one after Derby Iris, but that's away to another over on loan at the moment.
Right.
How are we doing? Right. New elastic band fitted.
Oh, aye. Just winding it up now.
Best way.
Oh, didn't realise my coat. Yeah. Stick to the concrete.
There you go.
This one, I believe, is on contract work for Northfield Moors.
That is gorgeous, isn't it?
Did you ever watch that program on the Northfield Moors?
Yes.
The carriage king here, and this is his.
Oh,
It's here on-
really?
No,
Look how
this
beautiful.
wasn't here when they moved in years ago. It was wasteland.
So
There's
you,
originally at the back end, I can't show you if it's on the rough bit, there used to be a
No.
small turntable there, which is replicated on the model railway by the big turntable.
All right.
Ah.
Small turntable there. This one's in for body work, then it'll have its full overhaul, then be back in the main line.
really? But look, just, do you mind if I touch it?
No. It's slowly being done up. We've already done two up for them.
That's beautiful.
Bogies as well as the post out one I had. It's got to be old bogies.
I love the wood on them,
Yeah, they're really nice, aren't they?
aren't they?
Yeah.
There's something elegant about them,
And
isn't
that's
there?
obviously the steam after it's going to boil the saddle tanks put on it in the next week or so and painted.
Is that outside the saddle tank?
Yes.
Yeah, I thought
It's
so.
all ready to go. It's been waiting for remedial work on the tank for about 2 years.
Really?
Obviously during that time, they've lost 2 years on the border ticket.
Of course, of course.
All this here, up till recently, was ballast. It was concreted this in.
Oh, you've managed to
Yeah.
get it all
Yeah.
done.
This should be out early next year, they're saying. Black one before it. They've already pressure tested the black one for the adult fire. in it.
Yes.
But this boiler with a new one, so it came with a 10-year certificate when they got it.
Right.
That would have been a rebuild.
I mean, you're just hoping though with the new one, there's not going to be as many problems.
No. Like I said, the only thing is, with it being sat for 2 or 3 years, it's ticking off its 10-year boiler.
Of course,
Because once
you
it's
need
issued,
to.
that certificate's issued.
Yes.
It lasts 10 years, whether you run it or not. That's it.
So ideally, you need it out there.
Yeah, begin revenue in.
Yes, getting its pennies in. The size of those wheels.
You know, for this time of year, it's not the best for painting because it's cold.
Yeah, because it takes time to dry, doesn't
Yeah.
it, and stuff, and it doesn't always do it as well. Yeah. I could paint. I could paint.
Yeah.
I'm good painting.
Yeah, well, see, join us that. We're often painters doing stuff.
I suppose there's all sorts of jobs, really. I mean, I can't do any heavy engineering or
Well, I don't
anything.
do engineering, but I've done driving, I've done helping out, painting,
Yeah.
all sorts. Yeah, if you want to join us very quickly, you're more than welcome. There's no commitment to how much time you do or anything. So they've got basically every machine they need in here, the lads.
Yeah. And you need to have to do these jobs, don't you?
Obviously that looks like a Southern locomotive unit at the moment, but that's just the undercoat is put on it.
What colour will it be?
These green like at the door at the front.
Oh, right, yes. I've fallen in love with this one.
Yeah,
there.
they don't bother masking the windows, you should run them razor blade scrapers to get the paint on.
Oh, right.
Because otherwise it just takes too
Yeah,
long to
oh,
mask
yeah.
up and
Well,
yeah.
like that, you can stand a chance of pulling the paint off as well.
Oh, it's not worth it then, I see.
And big things like that. So this has been a stalwart this year, the 14.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Like I was showing you.
Oh.
There's about a quarter mile up there. And you can get off and go to the high peak quarries up the top end where Steeple Grange is.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah, I've heard of that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Might as well make the most of it, though, aren't you? If you're going to be here, is there a lot of people that are retired?
There's a few retirees. Some are actually paid staff. A lot of the wiremen stuff are paid by the railway.
Yeah.
The directors, some of the engineers, and like the guys who find the hotels up, they're all paid staff, not volunteers.
Yeah. You've got to have staff that know what they do.
Oh, yeah.
Certain, you know, areas.
A lot of the younger ones like work for TV centres it is now and things like that. So they'll be driving down at Copenhagen in the week, come here at weekends and drive preserve.
Right.
Talk anywhere, these public. Yeah, straight out.
So is that being restored, that brake van?
I think so, yes. It was part of the P-Way train.
Right, okay.
Yeah, the Lister was originally petrol. It came from Stoke, not Stoke Bardolph, Stoke Quarry, Waterworks at Stoke.
Right.
And Nottingham Museums had it. They wrongly labelled it as being from Stoke Bardolph, which it wasn't.
Yeah.
And we eventually got hold of it. Just careful around here.
There's a ghost train.
That's your voice thing. Mad ride, it's been converted and stuff on it.
Leslie the Lister.
The Lister. Don't know why they call it Leslie the Lister. Simple, simple two-stroke engine. Yeah, drop you in there and turn it. Switches there.
It's not what I was expecting, it was great.
No, I know. It's really
Two-speed box each way, but we only ever run it in first gear because it can run away.
Right.
Ah.
It chucks oil and that's constantly spinning at X odd 100 plus RPM.
So when was this made?
After the war, it's post-war, about 56, 57 I think.
I love the chain.
Two levers there, they were for the sanders, which we don't use now. But
Right. What a curious looking thing.
yeah,
this
originally
is.
it was open, the frame has been added since.
Ah, right, okay.
Again, like I said, I'm the only one that takes care of it at the moment, so.
It's yours.
It's your
I
baby
wish.
for now.
Probably the garden's not big enough. You sit here and not one on this coat, but like I say, you can see you get splattered in oil.
Yeah.
Just chucks it out. The whole thing's in single cylinder, it's just vibrating.
Got a little character, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's fab, isn't it?
So many of these were made, and what were they mainly for?
Well, originally they were made pre-First World War because they turned them into the locos in the First World War, didn't they? You know, the armoured simplex and things. They were basic listers. Because Lister did these, they did farm pumps, water pumps, lots of different things. Lincolnshire they used them mainly on the farms, around the farms and things. Sleep with it because they've got a bit of P-Way work to replace down the line where, because by the time it rains heavily, it floods down the line because we're in the valley, so the line can get flooded.